I'm installing a controller to a roof-mounted swamp cooler. I can do house wiring, but I'm not familiar with wiring a cooler. I have power in the attic but need to run power to the switch and then to the cooler. From what I've seen, the switch only needs hot going in and then 5 wires out: ground, common, red, orange, black. Is this correct?
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. What is the make and model of the controller so the correct specifications can be obtained? Let me know and we can continue, thanks.
Hi Tommy, it is a Dial Manufacturing Incorporated. DialMFG.com, details are: 2-speed cooler switch, part number 7110, rated as 1 horsepower at 127 back, 50/60ths of a Hz, 16 FLA, any one circuit. My cooler has a 1/3 of a horsepower motor.
Thanks. The Dial site doesn't have that switch in their technical pages, unfortunately. Seems everything else except the 7100 series. They state the wiring diagram is with the switch. Possible a picture of it can be taken and posted? The paperclip icon on the toolbar allows direct posting from your PC. Might need the model of the cooler itself, to verify the connections from the switch also. Thanks. I found the switch finally. They had it listed without the model number, probably because of the so many that are the same. Anyway, it shows there are 4 terminals on the switch. L1, C, 1 and 2. Is that a match? Thanks. I found what appears to be the switch. They show the 4 terminals. Advise if that is incorrect. Based on their setup, you will wire as below: bring your 120 volt power into the switch, connect the black wire from the breaker to the L1 terminal on the switch. Take your high-speed power wire to the motor and connect to the C terminal on the switch. Take your low-speed power wire to the motor and connect to the 1 terminal on the switch. Take the power wire to the pump and connect to the 2 terminal on the switch. You will then take the white wire from your power source and connect it to the white wire to the pump and the motor. 3 wires under a wire nut together. That will get it going. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks. Diagram below.
Thanks Tommy, this makes perfect sense. However, I have 2 plugs, motor and pump, that I need to wire. They are as follows: plug 1 white, green, blue, brown, orange, plug 2 white, green, red, black, orange. White and green are obvious, so I'm okay on those. As for the rest, plug 1, red is low power, black is high, but what is orange? Plug 2, I assume I pick a color, brown, for low and blue for high, but again, what is orange? So 2 questions: are my assumptions above correct, and what is orange?
Does your switch match what I found? Have not heard whether it matches what Dial showed. If so, it appears that the cooler is designed for some other functions. We'll need the cooler information to obtain their specifications. Thanks.
Yes, the switch diagram you found is correct. Is it possible to just leave the brown and blue unconnected? The cooler is Champion Cooler 4900 CFM downdraft roof/wall evaporative cooler for 1800 square. Featuring motor not included, model #DD from Home Depot.
Okay, found the specs and wiring. Thanks for the information. The orange wires are for when using 240 volts and not 120 volts. So, if you are using 120 volts as assumed, on the blower, do not use the orange for anything on the pump. Do not use the orange or the brown, The pump uses the blue/black wire and the white and green only that should do it. Thanks.
Excellent, thanks.
You are most welcome, glad to assist.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.